Yo, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be explaining how I lost $60 today trading the NASDAQ. So going into today, I was very bullish, reason being high time frame clearly bullish. Pulled back to this EQ, kind of used this as a soup and showed a reaction out of that. I wanted to see NQ to manipulate lower, get inside of this new week opening gap, right, as a visual gap has been left during the opening from Friday's close to Sunday's open, the new week. We had OTE below as well, wasn't too keen on that. I just wanted EQ and this new week opening gap, and I wanted to see a rejection from there, and we did. Got a nice closure on this 1 minute here, but the second 1 minute actually got this candle, which is a bit rejecting a little bit. We had relative equal highs here, so in my head this was like a free break-even trade. Obviously we ended up top ticking it, unfortunately, and we reject lower. My stop was here, but I cut the trade off early in like 30 points of drawdown. We end up holding below, right? We don't take out this low, and we get the break even. So best case scenario would have been a break even trade. But in hindsight, it definitely wasn't the best trade, right? I mean, I said in live time, the target was just not great. It was a high delivering out of a gap. I just thought because the daily chart was so bullish and we broke out of this trend line, that we blast up and continue up, because when we're this high up to these highs at all-time high, NQ usually just delivers. So the fact we didn't do that today kind of tells me that tomorrow we're probably going to get a clean move to the upside. In hindsight as well, I should have probably waited for the entirety of this new week opening gap to get hit, because that's algorithmic, right? You want to wait for the entirety to get closed, not just the top of it. Obviously hindsight, I'm not too keen on new week opening gaps, but yeah, I'm going to definitely chart and note down this trade just to collect data. See here we have this EQ wick as well. End up hitting that and rejecting lower. Price action today was not good, right? But I can't blame the market. It's my own fault. I should have waited for the 30-second to inverse here. It just would have been more algorithmic, more confirmation. And I just thought, the 1 minute inverse, both of them, okay-ish candle here. Give it a try. But yeah, nothing else I can really do. Lock myself out after one trade. Was going to try and wait, like I said, for this entire to get hit, but I just didn't get it. Super choppy. That's going to be it for today's video. If you also took this loss or you found this video helpful, I'd really appreciate if you could drop a like, comment and subscribe. It helps me out a lot, and it lets me know that people are actually watching and enjoying the videos. Anyway, that's going to be it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.